So the second relationship is many to one. So let's take one example. Here you can see we can have two tables. The first table is developer table and second table is the company table. And here you can see the records in the first table, that is Dennis. Dennis is connected with the company, that is AT&T. And here you can see the next rows, James, Bill, Joshua. These three records are connected with ID2 and ID2 is son. That means these three developers, James, Bill, Joshua, are connected to son. So this is called many to one and it is denoted with n to 1. So the third relationship is one to many. Let's take an example. Here you can see we have two tables. The first table is the company table and the second table is the product table. Here you can see we have three records in the company table, which are Google, Amazon and Microsoft. And on the right side you can see we have Gmail, YouTube, AWS and GCP. Here what we are doing is, as you can see, because this is one to many, so how we can achieve that? In the product table we have mentioned the FK of the company. So as you can see here, Gmail, YouTube, GCP, here you can see I have placed one as a FK in the record Gmail, YouTube and GCP, and one represents Google in the company table. And here the third row in the product, that is AWS, and it is connected with 2, which is the product of Amazon. So this is the way how one to many is done. This is unidirection from product to company. Suppose you want to make a connection from company to product. In that case, you will need one more table, that will be the mapping table, and it will look like this. So it will contain the company ID and product ID. For that we have one, that is Google, product is 1, Gmail. Company ID 1, that is Google, product ID 2, that is YouTube. Then the third is company ID 2, that is Amazon, and product ID 3, that is AWS. And the fourth one is company ID 1, that is Google, and product ID 4, that is GCP. So it's like that how we manage one to many in both the direction. So this is represented as 1 to n because one record in left table is connected with n record in the right table. So this is one to many.